everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi if you're yet to meet me, and yes, some people call me Shante. If this is your first time stopping by here, you're very much welcome, but please don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Like, why wouldn't you? It's totally free, and be part of the notification gang as well. Just click on the bell button right beside the subscribe button, and then you'll be part of the gang. So today I'm bringing to you a new video, and in today's video I'm going to be creating this look using a couple of new products that I've received. Part of the products I'll be using today, I mean the star of today, is the Ewaronke Gemini collection palette. I think it is a limited edition palette. It is newly launched. This is what it looks like. It has a lot of summer inspired colors, and I just tried in today's video to try to use as much colors as I can from the palette, and that is how I came about this eye makeup look. And also I tried out a couple of new products from Hushbeauty as well. Their highlighting palette, what else did I try out from them? Okay, their beauty sponge, and a couple of other products that I'll be showing you as I go along in today's video. So if you like to go on this journey with me where we create this look together, you know what to do. So to start with today, we're going to be fixing this brows right here, and to do that I'm going to be using the Brow Power by BMO. I'm just going to run along to fix these brows. Whenever I want my brows to be very defined and very dark, I use this pencil because it is really dark. So I'm going to go ahead now to clean this up with some concealer, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade 46. So I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to blend this concealer. So my brows are done now, and since we're going to be focusing more on the eye makeup today, I'm going to be moving straight into that. To start with, I'm going to be using the newly launched Ewaronke. It's a struggle to film today, like it is a struggle. I'm going to be using the Ewaronke Stay Put eyeshadow primer. It's newly launched, and this is what it looks like inside the box. So it's gold, and it has a really nice casing, and outside of the box the real product is also gold, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to be trying to do so many things with this eyeshadow primer today. I'm going to use it to prime my eyes, I'm going to use it to cut my crease, and we're going to see how it's going to perform for today's look. So starting off, this eyeshadow base has a pump. So it's I like the packaging and the idea of it. I hope it works. So I put a pea-sized amount on my hands, and I'm just going to pat that on all over my eyes. So it's very creamy. It's almost disappearing on my eyes. I apologize for all the background noises. I have like a lot of people in my house today, and they're just trying to have fun irregardless. Okay, so now that I've distributed this evenly on my eyes, I'm going to be taking the star of today, which is the Ewaronke Gemini collection. It has a lot of vibrant summer colors in it. It has a vibrant green, a vibrant pink, a vibrant purple, a yellow. It just has like a really nice collection of summer colors, and so I'm just going to be playing around with all the colors in this palette today. I'm tempted to use all the colors, so I'm going to try to incorporate as many of the colors as possible into my eye look for today. So the first color that I'm going to be using in today's look is this green color right here. I'm going to be packing this on a dense brush, and I'm going to be popping that all over my crease area. I'm going to be popping it right here. Basically just patting on this color, not dragging. Just packing it on that side of my eyes, and it is very vibrant, as you can see. Woo! This is so pigmented. I am impressed. I don't know if you can see how pigmented that green is. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and going into this yellow right here that isn't showing up on camera, but I'm just going to go into the yellow shade and this small fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to buff out the edges of that green. Just going to use that to diffuse any harsh line. From what I can see, the yellow color isn't as pigmented as the green, so I'm just going to like majorly use this brush to diffuse the edges of that green, since that yellow isn't doing much. Okay, that has blended out decently. Next, I'm going to be taking this pencil brush from the NubanBeauty brush collection and this purple right here, and with the pencil brush I'm going to outline my where I want my lid space to start from. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend out the edges of this purple. So far, this purple is also very pigmented and it is just staying put. So I'm basically just blending the purple and the green into each other. So this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to be taking the leftover of the primer that I have just at the back of my hands, and with this small brush I'm going to be using that primer to cut out my lid space. I mean, I'm just going to try to do this and I hope it works. Okay, so I've just used the primer to outline my lid space. Now I'm going to start off by going back into that purple that I used, which is the deepest color and the first brush that I have used. I'm going to take that color and I'm going to pack it on my inner corner and my outer corner. Okay, just after that purple, I'm going to be taking that green that I used in the transition space and I'm going to be putting that inside just after the purple as well. Right after that, I'll take the pink from the same palette. I'm going to pack that onto the brush and I'm popping that right in the center of my lid space. And right on top of the pink, I'm just going into this golden shade from the palette and I'm just going to pop that on the pink just to make it glow a little bit right there in the center. Now going back into the purple to get back a little bit of the color, I'm going to just tap that on the outer corner a little bit and the inner corner as well. So this is what we have so far. I'm going to go on ahead and complete the other eye and then we'll be back to finish it up. So far this is what we have on the eyes. I'm not going to be lining my eyes today, so I'm going to be moving straight to put on my lashes. And for today I'm going to be using the lashes by Beauty Planet. This is what it looks like. So I have on the 3D Mink lashes in the number M06 from Beauty Planet on my eyes right now, and even though it's not as full as I normally like my lashes to be, I like it. It's very wispy and very light, and if you're just getting into using lashes, I think this will be a beautiful style for you to try out. So I'm going to rush over my face. I'm not going to be talking much because you see me doing the same thing every time, and then we're going to come back to complete the under eyes and the overall face. So I'm first just basically going to use some rose water on my face, and this is from the Cici Glam. It's the 100% pure Moroccan rose water. I'm just going to be applying this on my face to prep my face today. Now that the rose water has basically dried up, I'm going to continue with the rest of the face. Okay, so just before I go on, I need to talk about this beauty sponge that I got from Hushbeauty. It is a different kind of sponge in the sense that it isn't a regular foam. This is actually a velvety material, and I don't understand it. Like, it's one of a kind. It's not like any beauty sponge that I've ever used before. The feel is different. It's blending and not absorbing in so much product. And I don't know how to explain it yet. I'm just using it for the first time and it is just different. So I think I'll use this some more and I'll let you know what I feel about it. It's not exactly as soft as other beauty blenders that I have used, but it's not hard at all. I guess because it's not your regular foam, that is why it's not as soft as I expected it to be. And it has a flat side, a round side, and this part of it. So that is what I'm using to blend, and so far it's been doing an amazing job. So I'm back now and I'm going to be going in again to my under eyes. I'm going to first of all start by priming it with the same primer that I've been using, which is the Ewaronke Stay Put eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be applying very little just on my bottom lash line. Okay, so I got a bit of this primer in my eyes and it's actually very, very peppery. I hope I don't get teary eyes. What I'm going to be doing to my under eyes is that I'm going to be taking a bit of the pink in my inner corner, a bit of the green in the middle, and a bit of the purple in the outer corner. We're just going to do that and see what it looks like. So this is what I have on there. I don't know if you can see how pigmented these colors came out and how easy to blend they were. I mean, the matte colors from this palette are amazing. So I'm going to go in and apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to wet my pencil brush and take the gold that is right in this middle part, and I'm just going to be putting that in the inner corner of my eyes, just right here. So that's my eye done. I'm going to be applying the GlamBeauty powder all over my face just to clean off the excess setting powder and blend out everything. For my glow today, I'm going to be trying out the Hushbeauty Glowing Golds palette. I just received this and I'm just trying it out today as well. As usual, I don't know which color to use from this palette, but I'm going to be trying out the two top colors and we're going to see how that goes. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but this is the glow. Just for the sake of curiosity, I'm going to take another color and I'm going to pop that on just to see what happens. Nothing significant. Basically, we're just trying to glow to the gods. Glow. And I'm going to be putting a little of that on my brow bone as well. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Nicka-K blush duo. Mixing both colors from there, and I'm going to just be applying some color on my cheeks. For my lips today, I'm also going to be trying the lip colors from Ewaronke, newly launched as well. I'm going to be mixing the shade Alpha and Gemini together. And if you don't know, I'm actually a Gemini, so I'm in love with this Gemini collection because it's just like it is for me. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be lining my lips with the Gemini, and then I'm going to be putting Alpha in the middle. And as you can see, I'm lining the top a lot heavier than I'm lining the bottom. Actually, I think I'm going to go all over the top with the Gemini. And then I'm going to be popping Alpha right in the middle of the bottom. Now, I'm not going to be smacking my lips together, but I'm going to take a brush, a lip brush, and I'm going to blend the colors together on my bottom lips. The formula of these lipsticks are actually very, very nice. It's very soft on the skin, it's not harsh, and at the same time I can see that it is drying matte. And for my Cupid bow, I'm just going to be applying a little more highlighter on there, just to define it some more. And I'm going to be using the YangaBeauty Set to Go makeup setting spray. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned one or two things. A couple of things I have to say about the products that I used today. The eyeshadow palette that I used is pretty amazing. The colors were pigmented. The only color I didn't like that I tried today was the yellow shade in there. It wasn't pigmented, it was dusty. It didn't do it for me. But other colors that I have used from this palette, they worked like great. I like this eye look that I came up with. The colors and everything, like, it's pretty intense, but that was what I was going for. I also tried the lipstick, which I like a lot. I like the formula and it didn't give me any issues. Even right now it is matte, but my lips aren't dry whatsoever. It feels pretty soft and I don't feel uncomfortable wearing the lipstick. Also, the highlighting palette from Hushbeauty that I used was surprisingly really great. It didn't give me any issues. It was soft and blended like butter, as you can see. And also the beauty blender, which is one of a kind, was pretty amazing too. So yeah, I also tried out the eyeshadow primer from Ewaronke as well, and that worked great too. I didn't have any issues. In fact, I used it to cut my crease, and for the kind of eyeshadow that it was, I didn't expect it to work so great as a crease cutter, but it did do the work. And yeah, I'm loving how the whole look came together, and I had a good time filming this look. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, drop a comment for me below. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, and yeah, what do I say now? I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait till the next one. Mwah!